Hello there! In today's video we're gonna build a spike trap using only one popsicle stick and toothpicks. First, we're gonna take a tile of the floor we're gonna use to make the trap of that size. We take the popsicle stick and we break it in random pieces. Put them near the floor tile to see the length you will need and start gluing them together using the edge of the pieces. After you glue them together, use some glue in the bottom of the base to make them stronger if you need to. After the base is all done, start gluing them random big and small pieces to fill almost all the top. We're going for a style like it's a trap hole that someone triggered it and the spikes came up from the wooden floor. For the next step, we will take the toothpicks and break them in pieces, and that way we're gonna make the spikes. Use glue at the side of the toothpick and glue them in any random open space of the broken floor. As before, don't worry if they are not steady enough. Use glue at their base after they are all in place. Cut some of the edges of the toothpicks and keep the removed pieces for later use. Now we're gonna use silver paint to paint the spikes. In the final painting step, use any dark wash you have to paint the wooden floor. We would like to mix a little brown wash in the dark wash when we paint wooden terrain. It blends really well and gives a really good old look when it dries. Paint also the base. Now we wait to dry. After it's dry, we're gonna dry brush with a tan white color all the edges of the wood. To add a little flavor in our trap, we're gonna use some extra pieces of a skeleton we have. We're gonna glue the legs and the torso of that poor old adventurer in between the spikes. And then we glue the head in one of the spikes. We're gonna glue it in one of the spikes that we cut the edge. When it's glued, we will take the edge of the toothpick and glue it in top of the skull. Then we will use dark wash for the skeleton. When it's dry, we will add some blood in the spikes and the base of the trap. And we are done! Using only toothpicks and popsicle sticks, we made one good-looking spike trap that is really easy to make. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy crafting!